Hello, I am Parveen Sharawat from myspstore.com. Today I am here to showcase one of our best-selling product, Touch LED mirror. These LED mirrors are truly stylish, fashionable, durable and affordable too. You can buy in any size, shape, design and in color option. You can also add on LED clock, weather station, Bluetooth, speaker, defogger as well. The open secret of our company is the customization. Our customer want customization and we are doing it free of cost. We have so many design on our website from where you can select one. But even though if you want something unique or personalized design, you can contact to our designer team on call, email and WhatsApp and we will create your design with no extra cost. These LED mirrors are used in living room, bedroom, bathroom or in an office for reception desk, company logo wall, nameplate or in a restaurant, cafe and nightclub for decoration purpose. It's very easy as well as safe and secure to buy LED mirror online. You can buy for yourself or a unique gift for someone else. And we provide insured home delivery all over India with tracking ID. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for latest update. Thank you.